guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find, guys, where the relay for the air conditioner is located, which relay you need to check. Some models will not have a relay, they'll have something else instead. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain about that. Where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So, on this Ford Fusion, there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years, from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses, so if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion, so let's start on it now. So guys, where is the relay now specifically for the air conditioner? We will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You have many hidden fuse boxes, and we'll recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. That way you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere without knowing where your fuses are located. Open the hood. Here on the driver's side you'll see that cover that looks like a T. Remove it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here we'll need to check, guys, one relay for the air conditioner. Some models will not have that one. If you don't freak out, it's something else. You see that hole right here? That's supposed to be relay 33. It has 4 holes. That's where you may have an AC air conditioner relay. If you don't have one, it's controlled by the BCM, but you have relay fuses, up to 3 of them that you need to check. One of them is fuse number 12. That's 11 and 12 double fuse, but that lower section here, that's the one that you need to check. Then you need to check 18, 19, 21, 22. Fuse number 22 will need to be checked as well. And lastly, you need to check, guys, fuse number 55. That's a double fuse, that's 54 and 55. That one here you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.